Enhance your Unity projects without any extra cost by integrating these top 3 programs and assets. Each tool is designed to streamline your development process, boost your creativity workflow, and deliver personal results, all without spending a dime. Cinemachine. Cinemachine redefines camera control in Unity with its modular codeless system. Easily create dynamic camera movements, smooth transitions, and intuitive target tracking that adapts to gameplay changes in real time. Whether you're crafting in-game cinematics or refining gameplay perspectives, Cinemachine lets you focus on creativity rather than coding complex camera systems. Shader Graph. Unleash your artistic vision with Shader Graph, a node-based tool that allows you to build custom shaders visually, create advanced materials and effects without writing code, and see your changes in real time. This tool is perfect for artists and developers who want to experiment with lighting, textures, and visual effects seamlessly. DOTween. DOTween is a robust animation engine that simplifies the process of tweening objects, UI elements, and more. With its intuitive API and efficient performance, DOTween helps you create smooth animations and transitions effortlessly, speeding up your workflow and enhancing your game's interactivity. ProBuild. ProBuild brings you powerful 3D modeling and level design directly into Unity. Quickly prototype and refine game environments with its intuitive tools for building, editing, and texturing geometry. This tool is ideal for creating layouts, designing levels on the fly, and iteration rapidly without leaving the Unity editor. Text Mesh Pro. Evaluate your in-game text and UI text with Text Mesh Pro, which delivers crisp, high-quality text rendering and advanced formatting options. Enjoy enhanced control over typography, ensuring that every label, headline, and dialogue appears polished and professional across all devices. Unity Asset Store Free Assets. The Unity Asset Store offers a vast library of free assets, from 2D sprites and 3D models to audio files and scripts. These resources can jumpstart your project, allowing you to experiment with different art styles and mechanics while saving time and effort during development. Post-processing stack. Achieve a cinematic look with the post-processing stack, a collection of effects that enhance your game's visual quality, or add bloom, depth of field, color grading, and other sophisticated effects with minimal setup, instantly evaluating the visual appeal of your scenes. Unity UI extensions. Extend the capabilities of Unity's built-in UI system. With Unity AI extensions, this collection of free open-source components offer additional controls, effects, and utilities to help you craft engaging, interactive user interfaces that are both functional and visual appealing. Watch this video to discover the top free AI tools